Now today let's start with chapter number 12, our Earth. So in this chapter we will study about our planet Earth, where we all live. It is the blue planet, right? And we live on the Earth. The shape of Earth is like an orange, right? It is made up of land and water. और जो surface of Earth है वो 4 equal parts में divided है and 3 parts would contain water. जो 3/4 part है वो आपका water है and 1/4 is land. So first is land. We live on land and thousands of villages and cities are situated on land. And what we build houses, factories, roads and on land. Land is not same everywhere. देखो वो डिफर करता है, कहीं पे आपको प्लेन एरिया, कहीं पे प्लेट्यू, कहीं पे प्लेन्स देखने को मिलेंगे. फर्स्ट इज प्लेन. इट इज फ्लैट लो लैंड ऑफ वेरी लार्ज एरिया. Most people live on the plains. Plains are best for farming. Most of the towns, cities and villages are situated on the plain. Then we have hills that are naturally raised level land. So very few people lives on the hills. Farming is difficult and climate in the hills is cool. जो climate है वो कैसा है? ठंडा है. Many people go to hill station during summer. आपने देखा होगा बहुत से लोग कहाँ जाते हैं समर्स में, जब बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी होती है प्लेन एरिया पे, तो वो माउंटेन्स पे घूमने जाते हैं. Then we have mountains. Very high and large hills are called mountains. They are often covered with snow. When snow melts into water, the water flows down to form rivers. Right? Next is valley. It is a flat and narrow area of land lying in between the hills or mountains. So many towns are situated in valleys. It generally rains lot in the valley. आपने देखा होगा valleys में जब बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है तो पानी भर जाता है. Then we have plateau. It is a large area of land. एक table land होता है, right? And they are often surrounded by mountains. उसके side में क्या होता है? Mountains होते हैं. Then we have desert, like the land which is covered with sand. उसे हम desert कहते हैं. यहाँ पे scarcity of water होती है. और camel, यहाँ पे इसको ship of desert बोला जाता है. ठीक है? So next is forest, part of land that are covered with too many thick trees. And many wild animals like lion, tiger, elephant, they live in the forest. Next is water. A large part of the surface of earth is covered with water and there can be no life on the earth. बिना पानी के किसी भी तरह की लाइफ अर्थ पे अवेलेबल नहीं होती. We find many water bodies on the earth. Then many rivers flows down through a snowy mountain. Canals are constructed from the river to supply water. Rivers and canals are very useful for agriculture. और a stream is a small river. जो stream होती है वो एक small river होती है. Then we have waterfall. When a river flows over the rocks and fall from the height, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Waterfall कहते हैं. What is lake? It is a large body of water surrounded by land. A pond is much smaller than a lake. जो pond होता है वो lake से बहुत छोटा होता है. Then we have sea. It is all the big rivers flow into sea and the seas are big and deep. Sea water is salty and we cannot drink it. And very big seas are called ocean. जो बड़े बड़े seas होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Ocean कहते हैं. Right? Hope you understood. Now we have to move to the water cycle. What is water cycle? The water from these water bodies rises up in the form of water vapor. और जो water vapors होते हैं ये क्लाउड्स बनाते हैं और जब क्लाउड्स बहुत ज्यादा भारी हो जाते हैं तो वो रेन के फॉर्म में नीचे आपके ग्राउंड पे गिरते हैं. सो द रेन वाटर अगेन इट्स कलेक्ट इन द योर रिवर्स, लेक्स, पॉन्ड्स एंड सी एंड द रेन वाटर इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर ग्रोइंग क्रॉप. और ऐसे ये प्रोसेस चलता रहता है. एयर. द अर्थ इज सराउंडेड बाय एयर. द एयर एसेंशियल फॉर ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स. वी कैन गेट फ्रेश एयर फ्रॉम द ट्रीज एंड प्लांट. और जो फ्रेश एयर होती है वो बहुत ज्यादा यूजफुल होती है हमारे लिए. Nowadays in big cities air is getting polluted and it is difficult to breathe in polluted air. Polluted air हमें क्या बनाती है? बीमार बनाती है. It makes us ill, right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.